ebi byagambwa SP Nduhura Ivan Orego Officer aba Greater Bushenyi oba bari mu rukiko rw'okwerinda oruhaba rwetabiriwe mabo kwenda kwesimba ahantebe bwa member bwa parliament hamwe na n'intebe ya katano ahabwa Bushenyi okureba kuba kubasa okwashomesa okweharemize mibi yo bururu eibagira ngo abinji nabahendera batirweho emishango batachimanyire.
So as we discuss some of the likely offenses in the committee in our country, you should know that even NRM party you have acknowledged that inevitable yokora konka oshanga NRM yonka take up government wale kujaji ne kwata mwego mkorogwa. So under that guideline, it is clearly saying that the government laws or the constitution of Uganda, the penal code.
Twagiraho urukiko hagati yabo kwenda kwisimbarira ngo wa member of parliament hamwe na LC5 regional headquarters za polisi ya Bushenyi kandi twagamba ibintu binji abo ko bantabara umwara PC na hansi twantugamba shugazi nakakwate nebiriko mukabo
akira Godfrey or RPC ahawa Bushenyi mpango ya jomererabo abakwetwara mu nkabamane omu district ya Bushenyi abaresero muzego kutagura ibipande by'abesimbere ahabo kugira ngo bo mbaba takubahagira okucerekeraho ngora kwatwe naija kutebwaho emishango y'amani.
Let him resort to looking for votes, but not to tear people's posters, defacing them, beating people. I have already audios, it is on record, audios with me. If we had a projector, I would play for you some of his audios.
Team campaign dijo kugira ne yabe bishami byetu ne bambura cya kabiri harona poste mabene saturating yo kwereka mu nywati chese mo muri gara west mu shift ndaza muri gara east bonga ejon mars yo kwera ngo baremba zo kushisha.
Patson Baguma or state attorney ahabwa Bushenyi nawe yarabura besimbere okorekeraho muzego guru bururu okurabiraho mu kwabatezi bo burure sente otiro no kuba bihabisa emyonyo za sabuni na za shukari ngunago no mushango gw'amani baheza ko bakwata.
The offense of bribery, I will not talk so much, but bribery is bribery. You're good at offering booze, offering match boxes, offering salt, sugar, whatever, paraffin, all those things. You go and codename them as appreciation, as whatever. They are not allowed unless nobody sees and nobody reports. I know it has been happening. Some of you they will be asking you for mistakes. Not the statistics. If, for example, your agent says, give me transport, you go and what? And do ABCD, that's a different thing. But when you start distributing sugar, distributing low things, unless you don't catch it.
Abesimbere ahantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe abitwabasa kugambaho nabo ashaba abatezi bakaruru okureba ngo batera karuru ko businge kandi barekeraho kuryana ngo habo kuba wanyuma ya karuru nibisha kuba nibetengana
nga akaruru tufakira abantu bona bariyehera bamenye ko akaruru bwiza kagarika kakwa wanu hagera kandi tuwawe ondije atakumuhagera ico takachimwangira mutakachi Rwanda mutakiya makavuyo gabukuba after all akaruru kije kubo kandi kagarika nkargo itonto kumaho batayibanda n'abakenda kandi takataka bako session ninga bakandetse batakaba ko session okuza Rwanda intaro zabo especially bakakushaka obsende motere nanga bukujira takubahaje ninga ohanre chipande cyana.
Akira Godfrey RPC ahabwa Bushenyi yaraganisa abesimbere kwebyo byo kwerinda babitire mamani kandi kubehireyo okoragana nenkozi zebibi omukaruru.
For us, we are going to ensure that there is a conducive environment. How we are going to do it? Police can call upon other agencies to support prisons, work the reserves, and we shall deploy them. And we have blackly profiled some polling stations where we anticipate chaos.
Amakuraga gashakwa Olivia na Sasra umuri Bushenyi.